There's one final point to make about ATM. Its future is uncertain. ATM was designed to replace all LAN, MAN, and WAN protocols with a single, all-encompassing protocol. As we learned in the last 2 lessons, ATM also supports high levels of QoS and is well-suited for networks that support multimedia communication. However, customers are reluctant to take on the cost and complexity associated with ATM. Most computers run Ethernet, not ATM, and for the foreseeable future they'll continue to do so. Because of this, as we've said before, Ethernet has won the desktop. The next area of contention is the ATM backbone. Originally, FDDI was the common backbone technology, and then it became ATM. But now, with Ethernet operating at 100 and 1000 megabits per second, Ethernet has become predominant and is said to have won the backbone. The last 2 ATM strongholds are the MAN and the WAN. However, with Ethernet operating at 1 gigabit per second and soon to be 10 gigabits and beyond, many feel Ethernet will completely replace ATM as a protocol. The idea is, one protocol is better than 2, and if Ethernet has won the LAN, it is most likely it will win over all network space. Still, only time will answer which protocol ultimately wins.